Hello everybody, how are you today? Today we are looking at vowels. And what is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. But what is a vowel sound? Because we're busy with phonics, we are doing sounds. A, E, O, A. And each of these vowel sounds have vowel alternatives, which means if I can't use this, I'm going to use the long vowel. All three of them make one sound. A, E, I, O, U. So each one of them make the same sound, but if I can't use this A, I need to look for an alternative to decode my word. And it would be this. So why are vowels important? So vowels are important because I need to use them in almost 98% of my words. I will find either my A, E, I, O, or U, any word. Look at vowel. There's two vowels in it. When I look at and one, how many vowels do you count in alternatives? How many vowels do you count in grade? And if I must think of number, name 3. And when I look at the word phonics, so vowels is important when I am decoding my words. Then we have a little disclaimer before I continue. The previous picture and this hand has been designed by L De Jager. And so I've also designed my own hand after this because I want some movement to do. We need to use technology in the classroom. And we're all familiar with the reading hand. I only have 15 minutes for this video, so we will not be able to do our reading in this video. It will be in the next video, but it's also linked to this. All of the resources and sources, whatever I am using, it will be in the description because all of these ideas are not mine, including the vowel hand. It comes from different sources, like this comes from De Jager, this comes from another teacher, and a lot of my videos I use comes from YouTube. Reason being, because I need to take all of that knowledge, make it into one, so that I can teach according to my classroom's learning styles. Let's continue. And that's my vowel hand. Can we say the vowel sounds together? A, E, I, O, A. Let's say the long vowels, and vowels alternatives. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And remember, there's only 4 alternatives with A. Let's see if there's more alternatives. E. Does I have another one? I, O. So U has 4 alternatives and O has 5 alternatives. I has 5, and look there. Y and Y. It looks the same, but it sounds differently. So that is E and that is I. Depends on where I'm using it, which sound it's going to make. So what do we call that? If I must think, homophones. It sounds the same, eh? Homonyms looks the same, sounds the same. sound. Let's go. You remember the story of the little girl, and she went picnicking with her family and she got ants all over her hands. And what song did she sing? Can we sing that song? I just click to the link, read one with my finger and make the action.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm.
Now let's sound it out. So each letter have one. I'm going to do the first one, and while I'm sounding out the other sounds, then you will be using your finger and blending it on your arm. Okay? B, E, bat. How do I sound that out? B is one sound, E is one, and T is one. B, E, bat. If you can't see it, you do it here. B, E, bat. So that's how you're going to sound it out, as I am sounding it from here. T and 10. And I made the biggest mistake. I always tell you, we don't say t, we say t. Like in the can, man. And what color is my S background? I intentionally made it red because we will be doing some magic today, and I have my red paint. And if you must be thinking, look at my blue and my red, slowly you're thinking, in grade 2 I learned the color wheel. What does blue and red make? We will find out later. Now we are going to look at our sound. The sound is E. And you remember the story of the E? When the mouse went into the room, we spilled the ink, and read with my finger and do the actions.
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet.
And that's our E sound. And we remember that sound. I just showed you how to blend, and I think all of them are single sounds, so use your finger for blending. Bird. And I forgot to remind you that the E sometimes makes the sound. E for ink, but for bird. Pin. And it can either be pin or pin, depending what side of the world you're at, what side in the country you're at, or just how you speak. Fun. Bun. We don't say bin, we say bun. Now, what did I say? This is blue. And now we're going to see some magic happen. Ooh, where's my hat and I want to make some magic happen. We are going to make some magic. Yes, I'm using my apron, but I want my magic apron because my magic apron's color is similar to that. So, ooh, looks like I'm going to eat. So, red and blue makes. I need to open it. Shake, 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 shake to mix my paint. Mix, mix. We always mix everything. Whenever I open a tin of spray or anything I use, I have to mix it so that the stuff can mix. And I'm adding my red. And I will be adding my E for blue. And I think everybody can see the magic is happening. It's happening. And it's shaken. It's shake. And the color is purple. And then I look at the E and my E. Let's just go to the next slide. Oh, let's say the sounds first. E, E, O, A. And we are looking at that sound. A. And so I cannot go through the story. I only have 15 minutes. I'll try to fly through the story. There was this boy, he had a pain in his ear. His mommy took him to the doctor. And as he went to the bed to sit on the doctor's bed so he can check his pain, he saw a picture of a brain. Dr. Kane, who was the doctor, said, go to the scale so that I can weigh you. And as he was walking to the scale, he passed a box of toys. In there he saw a whale and a train. Can you think of how we should spell these A sounds? Using alternatives. He stood on the scale and there he saw a snail. He saw Gail the snail, yes. And when Dr. Kane was done examining the little boy, she gave him a cane. But she asked him, what's wrong with your ear? Before she gave him his medicine. And he sang her a song.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
Let's see. How are we going to use A? Oh, remember we mixed the pain, so it's A. B. A. But one sound, B, two sounds into one, A and T. So I want you every time you see A, remember it's purple. It's a different color. It's not red and green because I'm not saying A, E. I'm saying A. Say it. A. Okay? So you will be sounding out. And well, there's another one. Trrr. Can you hear T? Can you hear the R? I hear two sounds. So they together. Trrr, trrr, trrr. So it's trrr. A because the sound changed. And let's see what's the next one. I'm sure it's a single one. A. Train. Let's sound it out. Trrr. A. Train. Oh. Trrr, trrr. A. Train. How many letters do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when I say the word train, how many sounds do I hear? Trrr, A. Train. I hear 4 sounds. A. Main. A. Pain. So as homework, look for more A sounds, and after this video I will put on the reading video, and we will be using our reading hand.